I'm continuing the countdown of the top 50 job search strategies to get you hired rapidly. It's important to remember to turn off your phone or put it in silent mode before the job interview begins. This will help you remain focused and avoid any potential distractions. The last thing you want is for your phone to ring during the interview and disrupt the flow of the conversation. Additionally, it shows respect for the interviewer and the interview process. By keeping your phone off, you're indicating that the interview is your priority and that you're ready to engage in a productive conversation. This small gesture can make a big impression, so be sure to turn off your phone before the interview begins. Also, if you're asked a question and you need to take a moment to think about it, you can use your phone as a distraction-free way to take notes. This will show that you're still interested in the job and that you're taking the interview process seriously. So, remember to turn off your phone before the job interview begins. Click on the playlist now to view more job searching tips and click on my face to subscribe to receive alerts when I post a new training video. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.